Hello friends, let's fix your reverse light so that it looks like this. Now you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. They're all fairly common tools. You can find them at any parts store, any hardware store, and your vehicle actually comes with a flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. Now open the driver's side door, release the trunk. Now in the trunk, lift up that trunk carpet over there. See, this is where all the tools are. Get that flathead screwdriver out. Now on the trunk cover there are 8 clips that we need to take off. So use that flathead screwdriver and pry out that middle part of the clip. The whole clip should just come right out. Now take off all the other 7 clips. Now get that flathead screwdriver and pry open that cover like that. Just pull it out. So now you should see that Phillips head screws. Get the Phillips head screwdriver and screw them out. Alright, now that cover should just come right out. Keep it somewhere safe, you don't want to get it dirty. Take off the electrical connector. So just grab it in the bottom, pinch it and pull it out. Use that 10mm wrench and take all the 3 nuts off. Just be careful because that metal over there is kind of sharp, so you don't want to get hurt doing this. Now put those nuts away somewhere safely. Now from the outside of the trunk, right? Okay, see that trunk metal? And put your couple fingers over there and just pull that tail light out. And you might have to wiggle it a little bit, but it'll come right out. Now that gray bulb holder, that is the bulb holder for the reverse bulb. Again, what you need to do is grab it and twist it left. It might not come out right away, so you might have to just wiggle it, but it'll come out eventually. So once the bulb holder is out, just grab that bulb and pull it out. Check the video description for the correct replacement bulb type. Get the new bulb and just push it in. It's simple. Put the bulb holder back in and twist it right to secure it in position. Now we can put the taillight back. So align the 3 screws on the taillight with the 3 holes over there in the trunk and just slide it in. This should be the easy part. Just slide it right in. Now hold the taillight from one end to get some support and just put those 3 nuts back on. Now once you do that, just tighten them with the 10mm wrench and just tighten them a little bit. Like, no need to go crazy tight with it. Now we need to put that electrical connector back in place. It just goes in one way, so slide it in and push it. Now those clips you took off, when you want to put them back, the middle part should not be like all the way in. You need to take it out. See, now that looks good. So grab a couple of those clips, get that trunk cover back in place, and just put 2 clips in place first. Once you do that, the trunk cover will stay in place. So then go and get the other 6 clips and put them all in place. After you do that, get those 2 Phillips screws, put them in place, and that cover just push it close. Now let's go try it out. Hey, that looks good, right?